With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with the 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell warm mist humidifier running efficiently. If you recently used the humidifier, wait 20 to 30 minutes for the unit to cool before cleaning. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, remove any accessories from the humidifier, and empty the water tank. Disassemble the medicine cup by pulling it apart from the mist chimney. Next, remove the mist chimney and removable tray by gently pushing on the latch and lifting straight up. Finally, empty the base and follow these separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, fill the base and water tank with 1 cup of undiluted vinegar, making sure the vinegar covers the heating element. Replace the cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with vinegar and wipe the medicine cup, mist chimney, and removable tray. These parts are also top rack dishwasher safe. After soaking, with a soft brush, gently scrub the heating element to remove mineral deposits. Next, empty the vinegar from the tank and reservoir and rinse all the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. To disinfect, use gloves when handling bleach. Mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach and pour the bleach solution into the base and water tank. Replace the tank cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with the bleach solution and wipe the mist chimney, medicine cup, and removable tray. After soaking, empty the solution from the base and tank. Rinse each of the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of bleach is gone.
Hi, I'm Andrea from Crane, and I'd like to introduce Crane's Warm Mist Humidifier. Anyone who suffers from sinus irritations, nasal congestion, or dry cough knows that nothing is more soothing than breathing in moist air. Both a warm mist humidifier and a cool mist humidifier will restore a healthy level of moisture to the air. The difference between the two is that the warm mist humidifier heats the water to produce a steam, while Crane's cool mist uses ultrasonic vibrations to humidify the air. Also, warm mist allows the use of a medicine cup. The warm mist humidifier creates a fine mist and features 2 steam output settings, creating up to 3.6 gallons of moisture per day. A 1-gallon tank capacity for a minimum of 7 hours of running time. An auto-off function when the water tank runs low. And an attractive blue LED nightlight. Also, no filters are required. Crane humidifiers are simple to use and include an operational manual. Please keep the manual in a safe place for future reference. There's a medicine cup with slots for the mist, a 1-gallon water tank that's easy to fill, and a water basin. Please be aware that the tank is filled from the bottom, not from the top. First, unscrew the water tank cap. Then fill the water tank with cool tap water. It fits perfectly under most faucets. Replace the water tank cap and then put the filled water tank onto the water basin. Make sure it's on a level, elevated surface. Place the medicine cup on top of the mist channel. The medicine cup is where the liquid medication designed for humidifiers can be added. Control the mist by the output control on the front panel. Please remember, it is very important to clean your humidifier. Make sure you view our cleaning video for complete instructions.